Wash your leaves like this ones. Ewedu, I don't cut it. I do not cut it. I transfer to a sieve to drain out somewhat. While washing the water leaf, I don't normally slice or dice my vegetables. Drain out somewhat. I wash 3 times. Drain. Washing the ugu, wash thoroughly, but it's better to wash before you cut, before you slice. But something happens, that's why my own is like this. So do not cut before washing, but wash before cutting. Done with washing of all the vegetables, ugu, arora, cram, water leaf. Washing of Isam periwinkle. You remove the black things. It's just like sand, more than the stone. Wash thoroughly and remove all these things. Wash the snail thoroughly. It's already deshelled. Washed snail. We're just washing it to make sure it's clean. These were ingredients. Utazi leaf, Uziza leaf, snail and periwinkle, ugu leaf, Ewedu, arora, water leaf. So for our wonderful vegetables, or fish or oil. Remember, I use Uziza thoroughly. Wash it like 2 times. Transfer to another bowl. Seasoning of meat, add salt, seasoning cube, season to taste, mix it very well, turn it. For my soup seasoning, I normally use only maggi and salt. I allow the meat to soak in the ingredients for like 5 minutes. Now add water. I'm cooking with pressure pot to basting everything. Cover and steam. Steam for 15 minutes. Let's add our water leaf. This is our already picked and washed water leaf. That is the first thing to add. Cover to steam. Do not add water. Let's add our ewedu inside the water leaf. I like to combine the soft vegetable. It makes it tasty and it gives it a unique aroma. Add the garam leaf, open, add the stockfish, add little water, just little, cover to steam very well. Add the meat stock, add the snail, cover, add the already washed dry fish, add the red oil, add this Isam, cover to cook. Add salt to taste. It's time to add our meat. It's already boiled meat. You see? This is the essence of the Ewedu and the crayfish. As you can see, it's not watery, it's thick. They serve as a thickener and aroma. Let's add our Uziza leaf for aroma too, Utazi leaf for a little bitter taste. Stir. There is no need to cover now, but you need to reduce the water a bit. This is little onion, crayfish, pepper and okpeghi pounded together. It will also serve as a thickener and taste. Seasoning cubes, season to taste. Since there is no much water now, we need to add our last vegetable, which is the ugu, the pumpkin leaf. Then our soup is ready. We're adding the ugu vegetable. That is the last, and not the least. We add it. Stir. Now our soup is done. Vegetable soup with ugu, water leaf, ewedu, crankram, utazi, okazi, Uziza. Our soup is done and ready to eat. Food is ready. Yummy. Come and eat. Come and enjoy with us. Vegetable soup, ugu and water leaf, Uziza and okazi. Vegetable soup. As you are eating, do not forget to click on the subscription button and give me a thumb up. Click the notification button and remember bless. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye.